Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. This is Ayruvedic in October, and today we'll be doing the Fenugreek hair rinse. So basically, Fenugreek is known for stopping hair fall, hair thinning, dandruff, promoting hair growth, making your hair thicker, you know, because I'm trying to get thick. You feeling me? And it also has such a sweet smell. So homie over here is gonna be smelling like a whole snack. I'm not bothered by it. Anyways, if you are interested in using this Ayurvedic hair growth hair rinse, please continue watching and do not forget to join me on my 1-year Ayurvedic hair growth challenge. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts. And shall we get started? Because I know I'm excited. Look at me over here shaking this bottle. Yeah, by the way, if you're wondering why it looks like this, it's because I added a little bit of aloe in there, but you're going to see why that is in a minute here. So let's get to it, shall we? Okay, so I have fenugreek seeds from Food to Live, and I got these off Amazon for about $10.49, and then I have the aloe vera powder for about $9 off of Amazon. Okay, so next you're gonna want to take 2 teaspoons of fenugreek, and y'all listen to this ASMR. Okay, so next we're going to take this 2 teaspoons of aloe vera powder, and we're going to go ahead and add that to the mix. Just slowly adding that in there. And yes, by the way, I actually took the powder out and I put it like in a smaller bowl. That way it's like easier application, because like I'm holding my phone and, you know, trying to record at the same time. Now add a little bit of hot, not boiling water. By the way, that was just like a little ASMR for like the water pouring into the mason jar. Anyways, now we're gonna go ahead and stir our mixture together. Basically, my hair seems to like aloe vera, so that's why I want to go ahead and add it to the fenugreek. So I'm so excited! I cannot wait to try this. And y'all, look at this. Like, look how interesting that looks. And by the way, it really does smell like maple leaves. It's such an interesting smell. I'm wondering if this is gonna like linger on my hair, like, and how long it's gonna linger on my hair. And if people are gonna be like, does anyone here smell syrup? Yeah, I can imagine it right now. Yo, guess who's ready to start smelling like a snack? I can't with myself. Anyways, y'all, look at this. Look at that. Look. Oh my gosh. Is there such thing as like a visual ASMR? Because I'm getting tingles. Mufasa, Mufasa, Mufasa. Look at this. I cannot wait. Y'all excited? I know I am. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, so here we go. So basically right now I'm just sitting in my bathroom, and because I don't want to get this mess all over the floor, I'm about to put this fenugreek in my hair. This is going to be quite the experience. But before I do that, I kind of wanted to show you guys like how much hair shedding I had. And I was like, this is so little, like compared to like other times where it would probably be like twice as much. Like, it wouldn't be a whole lot, but just like very little. And I think it's because basically I mixed some essential oils with my leave-in conditioner, which is my Shea Moisture black castor oil leave-in, with a little bit of aloe gel, and I mixed it together and I put into a spray bottle, and I basically sprayed it on my hair for like the past few days. And basically as soon as I sprayed it on my hair, like my hair went from like dry to like it came back to life, and I was like, my hair must really like aloe. So basically that's why I went ahead and put the aloe in the fenugreek. So basically I went ahead and put it in this little spray bottle. Okay, so like I said, I made a good 4 ounces worth or so of the fenugreek. Oh, and basically I just finished washing my hair, so it looks a little ow looks a little like, I don't know, like weird to say the least. Okay, so I basically have this towel on too, this way I don't get my shirt wet. But I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this stuff in, and then I'm gonna massage it in with my massage brush. My mom got this for me, so I don't know, I'm not sure how much it cost, but I don't think it was anything. I think it was probably, it could have been like $5 or less. Anyways, it's called Heeta, Heeta hair scalp massage shampoo brush. And this is how it looks, like that. I wish it was like electronic, so it would be like a zzz. So that's gonna be over to the side. Sorry for all the weird noises. Like I said, I'm sitting on my bathtub, so it's making like this weird noises here. There we go. To the side. Hold on, if I just select this right here. I'm basically putting my hair into like 4 sections. This is like my first time trying Fenugreek, so I'm a little bit nervous as well as excited because I've never tried something like this before. Like I have put aloe in my hair, not powder though, like regular, is it on? There we go. Like regular aloe in my hair, so we're gonna see how this goes, right? Now it looks like it's kind of dry and sad. I'm just like, I wonder if my hair just does not like the shampoo and conditioner I have. Because I would use Shea Moisture shampoo, and then I would use Maui Moisture conditioner. And I've been wondering for a while now, like, you know, wow, I'm gonna really be smelling like maple syrup mixed with aloe. Okay. Yeah, like I was saying, I wonder if my hair just does not like the shampoo and conditioner I use. Because when I put in all the other products like the mousse and the hair gel or like conditioner, my hair is like, okay, we're good now. But when I put in like, I wonder if it's really the conditioner that my hair just does not like. Who knows? But anyways, I'm going to be switching shampoo and conditioner soon. Basically, I just finished out the shampoo, and soon I'll be using Aussie Moist, the Miracle Moist. Maybe my hair just wants some more moisture. That could be it. The shampoo I had it sounds like it had like a silk protein in it, and I guess my hair may be a little protein sensitive, not too much, but like a little bit. Add more moisture. I know I used to like add like a between like protein and I think moisture, like have it evened out. So that's why I've been doing deep conditioner, use my deep conditioner each time. There we go. So I'm gonna go and quickly do the side over here. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to leave this stuff in my hair for a total of 30 minutes. 15 by itself, and then the other 15 minutes will be with my deep conditioner on top of it. And then I will rinse it out. So basically this week is just the little hair rinse or hair tea, either way you can call it basically. And then next week I'll probably do like a leave-in spray. So my hair has grown, like I said, 2 inches over the past 4 months. So I'm at 22 inches, the side pieces here and the back of my hair. The bang is a whole nother story. I can't remember right now the exact measurements, but I'll probably put that down somewhere here. That way you guys can like see, and we can go and record how long my hair gets from the Fenugreek, because I don't plan on measuring my hair again until the next month.